Miss Melissa here today to show you how to make a cute little duck craft. I hope you've been enjoying our duck stories and songs this week. And if you are, remember tomorrow morning, Friday morning at 10 a.m., we'll have another duck story ready for you. Until then, let's learn how to make this cute craft. Materials. For this project, you will need scissors, a glue stick, a paper plate, and black, yellow, white, and orange paper. Step 1. Cut the paper. We'll start with our white paper and cut 2 circles for eyes, and with black paper we're going to cut 2 smaller circles to finish out those eyes. With the orange paper we're going to cut 2 feet and a beak. Now for the beak you can either just cut a simple triangle, or I made a diamond with ours so that we could fold it to make it so the duck could quack. Step 2. Tear yellow paper. Now you're going to take that yellow paper that you have and just tear it up into little pieces. This is a great fine motor skill activity for kids to do. It lets them take over, especially for younger ones that you might not want to have with scissors, and it's going to help you create that nice textured feather look for the duck. Step 3. Glue the yellow paper to the paper plate. Now we're going to take that paper plate out and we are going to cover it with glue. And as we cover it with glue, we can stick those pieces of yellow paper that we've torn up to it. And you're going to keep on sticking until we have the whole plate covered. And there's really no wrong way to do this. Step 4. Glue eyes. Now we're going to take those white circles that we cut and glue them onto the face of the duck. And when we're done gluing those on, we're going to take the little black circles and glue them in to the white circles to finish them off. Step 5. Glue beak. Now if you folded your beak, you are going to apply glue only to one half of it. And once you've got the glue on, you can turn it over and stick it right onto the face of the duck. Step 6. Glue feet. Now you're going to flip that paper plate over and putting glue just on the top of the foot, stick those onto the back. And good job, you're all done! Congratulations everybody, I hope you love your ducks!
Quack, quack.